Hello! I love drawing and painting animals, and I don't know why, especially birds. So let's do so. I actually painted 4 of them that day, but I chose to show you the 2 that I like the most. For those paintings, I do have one or several photo references, but I don't necessarily try to reproduce exactly the image. It's more like an inspiration and a help for accuracy. I tend to spend a lot of time on the drawing part before painting because I have this feeling that when the drawing is good, or should I say when it goes where I want it to, then the result cannot be completely failed. When I go for colors too early in the process, I'm very often disappointed with my painting. Maybe it is just because I'm a drawer type much more than a color type. I would love to be able to paint after just a few strokes of pre-drawing and building loosely the image with colors only, but I obviously don't have the skills for it. And that is something I really would like to improve on. I like using a big brush for small sketches. It is a good exercise to force myself into loose and simplified paintings. I tend to put too much details and to over-render everything. Using a big brush prevents me from doing so, and for this reason, it's a very good help for improving on that matter. I really like this small one because I think I did well on things I usually fail. Like I said, simplification and being accurate with the less elements and brushstrokes possible. So I'm quite happy. For this one, I started once again by spending a lot of time on the drawing part. It is funny because the shape of a bird seems quite simple, and it is. But the more simple a subject is, the more difficult it is to be right. A slight change in a curve or an angle and the whole spirit is changed. And that is why I don't start putting colors until I'm fully satisfied with the sketch. As always, when using colors, I try to put more than one color in each shape. It is a good way to enrich the composition and to please the eye with gentle surprises. I once heard this advice that it is interesting to mix your colors directly on the paper and not on your palette. Well, I think it is somehow another way to say the same thing. Of course, depending on your taste and style, you have obviously the right to go purposely for plain colors. It can be very pretty too. As far as I'm concerned, I really love putting several colors in one, creating variations and gradients to please the eye. You will see me struggle a lot with the legs of these birds in this video. I will end up taking a drastic decision, but at that moment I didn't know about it yet, and it's quite funny to witness myself afterwards. And so here it is. I finally decided that I could never really save those legs. I gave up on them and ended up completely hiding them by putting a big tree branch instead. And it is okay. Painting is about taking decisions. It is okay if the final work is not looking the way you thought it would. It is even maybe the most interesting part of doing art. And here you can see the whole page with the 4 birds. I had a lot of fun painting those. I don't know why I love birds so much. They make me so happy. Those 2 ones were my favorites, and I'm very happy I could share the process with you. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and that I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!